couple dance. The name of the dance is deep solo. It's waltz. Men will left, women will right. We open waltz, close, and then we both hands. We don't leave our hands the moment half a turn. Half, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Back to back. 1, 2, 3 minutes out. Turn the woman. 1, 2, 3, and man stays out. Let's do from beginning up to here. Open waltz, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Back to back. This out. Turn the woman. 1, 2, 3. We facing against the direction. Then we open again. Open. Turn the woman. And now face to face. And we go get far. Back. 2, 3, and turn. 2, 3. Step. Touch. Man is still out. Stretch and change. Stretch. Waltz. Waltz. This is the first part. Let's do it once again. Open waltz. Go. Open. Close. Up. Back. Man is out. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Open. Turn the one. Going back. Turn. Step. Touch. Back. 2, 3. Change. Back, 2, 3, waltz and waltz. We go into the second part. We start half a turn on the line. Half, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, and man is staying behind the woman. Right hand, left hand of the man on the here, and the right hand and the up, right leg. And we do sway, sway. Man left, woman right. Sway, sway. Turn the woman in 3 on the line to her right. 1, 2, 3, and go another 3 on the line. Now we switch like him and I. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, face to face. All the second part, again, half turn. Half, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, sway and sway. Turn the woman. 1, 2, 3, change. And 1, 2, 3. This time, hands are up. We switch hands and we do balance. Balance. Turn the woman. Together. Together. Balance. Turn the woman. Together. Together. This is the whole dance. This is the whole dance. After we did the dance twice, the end of the dance. Open. Close. Turn the woman. 1, 2, 3. Back. And out. And here we turn the woman with both hands. 1, 2, 3, and we stay until the music is down. Thank you. It's solo. Good luck.